My school as one little bit as no matter how small it is, I could have even half inch or just on the ground. School clothes. Why? School clothes, but parents are still expected to go to school work. So if we go work and the kids them their home, oh, that makes sense. So does it mean now that we have to take off from work to take care of the kids? Because you're now off because it's scared of snow. Or now we're going to have to find or go out of our way to get our kids to go somewhere else or to put them in daycare for the day. Like, it's just not adding up. If we don't have no school, not have no work, need always still get we pay. How about that? Something need to give. But this don't make no sense. This don't make no sense. Gotta do something. Either the government or someone will have to come up with something. If the school is closed, work closed too.